Comprehensive throw blankets comparison. Throw blankets are an essential part of any home, offering warmth, comfort, and style in equal measure. Whether you're curling up on the couch, layering your bedding, or adding a decorative touch to your living space, the right throw blanket can elevate your experience. In this comparison, we evaluated 5 popular throw blankets in the price range of $8.99 to $39.99, assessing their material quality, comfort. List 1. The Bedshore Fleece Throw Blanket is an affordable option that delivers surprising quality for its price. Made from 100% polyester, this blanket is lightweight yet warm, with a soft flannel fleece texture that feels cozy against the skin. Its understated gray color and solid pattern make it a versatile choice for various settings, from the living room to outdoor camping trips. Enhanced durability features, like neat stitching and resistance to fading, ensure it holds up well over time. In terms of performance, the Bedshore Fleece Throw Blanket strikes a good balance between warmth and breathability, making it suitable for year-round use. Its lightweight design makes it easy to transport, but it may lack the heft some users desire for colder climates. While it excels in durability and softness, the blanket's thinness may not appeal to those seeking a more substantial feel. Overall, it's a great budget-friendly option for casual use. List number. The Bedshore White Throw Blanket offers a more decorative and giftable approach to the classic fleece blanket. Featuring a striped pattern and off-white color, this blanket adds a touch of elegance to dorm rooms, living spaces, or as a thoughtful gift. Made from premium microfiber polyester, it offers a soft and plush texture that enhances comfort during use. Its lightweight design ensures it's easy to handle and suitable for layering with other bedding. This blanket excels in versatility, blending seamlessly into modern decor while providing cozy warmth. Users praised its durability, noting that it maintains its color and texture after multiple washes. However, the striped design, while visually appealing, may not suit all preferences. Additionally, its lightweight nature might not suffice for users seeking heavy-duty warmth. Overall, it's an excellent choice for gifting or enhancing room aesthetics. List 3. The Bedshore Sage Green Throw Blanket stands out with its jacquard checker pattern, offering a modern aesthetic that complements minimalist decor. Made from 100% polyester, it boasts enhanced microfiber for a soft and cozy feel. Its sage green color is both trendy and calming, making it a great addition to bedrooms or living rooms. The blanket is lightweight yet warm, making it versatile for indoor and outdoor use. Performance-wise, this blanket provides a good balance of warmth and breathability, suitable for all seasons. Its checker pattern adds texture and visual interest, though some users may prefer a simpler design. Durability is a strong point, as it resists fading and maintains its softness after washing. However, the jacquard weave may show wear more quickly in high-use scenarios. Overall, this blanket is ideal for decor-conscious buyers seeking comfort and style. List 4. The Homemate Heated Blanket is the premium option in this lineup, combining advanced technology with luxurious materials. Made from 200 GSM flannel and 200 GSM Sherpa, it offers exceptional softness and warmth even without the heating function. The blanket features 10 heat settings, a large heating area, and auto shutoff options ranging from 1 to 8 hours, ensuring both comfort and safety. ETL certification and Japanese-designed heating wires further enhance its reliability. This blanket is ideal for users who need targeted warmth during cold winters, or those with specific therapeutic needs. Its energy-saving features make it a cost-effective alternative to central heating. While the corded design limits mobility, the 9.5-foot power cord provides some flexibility. The added weight and heating functionality may not appeal to users seeking a lightweight throw. Overall, it's a top choice for winter use and those prioritizing warmth and safety. List number 5. The Bedure Fleece Throw Blanket combines style and performance with its upgraded stripe design and 300 GSM fabric. Made from microfiber polyester, it offers a dense, fluffy texture that feels luxurious against the skin. The widened stripes add visual appeal, making it a decorative piece as well as a functional blanket. Its cream white color complements a variety of decor styles, from modern to boho. With a higher fabric weight, this blanket provides excellent warmth while remaining breathable, making it suitable for all seasons. Users appreciated its durability, noting that it holds up well to machine washing without shrinking or fading. However, its heavier weight may not suit those seeking a lightweight throw for travel. Overall, it's a great choice for users prioritizing warmth and